So good morning class 10th, class 9th. So in today's class, we will do some programs using the right side pattern plus some additional programs. So I hope till now 16 of you have joined out of 46. So bachcho, get ready for the new programs using the right side pattern. So please, the pattern that I am going to show you, let me share my screen. My screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now this is the first pattern which you need to try for n rows. For n rows. Please try this question and paste the solution in the chat box. And this question is for everyone. This is a right side pattern. I hope we have not done this, right?
Yes, sir.
Please try it fast. And now in this, the number of rows you are supposed to take input. Okay, everyone? Very few of you have joined till now. The question is there on your screen. I hope my screen is visible for everyone. Please note down this question. See, whenever you are trying the question in your notebook, please on the right or on the left, please mention the pattern also. Because while correcting, it is not easy for me. Suppose you are sending the mail in PDF or like pic. So you need to take the print of that pattern also. Then only it is easy for me. Okay. Suresh, any doubt in this question, beta? Anushka, please try this question. I will explain. Don't worry.
Yes, sir, fine.
This is your computer screen. Already divided. Okay, Rachit, you have done. So Rachit, beta Rachit, it is wrong. This is a right side pattern. You need to print.
Okay, sir.
Huh?
Okay, sir.
Whenever you are trying the question, please see whether this pattern is having right side pattern or left side. Then after that, you
Yes,
need
sir,
to
yes.
follow the structure. The structure is very common. In right side, minimum 3 loops are required. On your left side pattern, minimum 2 loops are required.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please join on time, Betcho.
Sir, I was having network issues. And sir, do we need to switch on our cameras?
No, not today. Thank you. The question is on your screen, Aditya. Please try this for n rows. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now this is clear for everybody. See, so first time you are printing 3 blanks, then 2 blanks, then 1. And every time the printing is happening 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. Priyamvada, wait. I am checking your. Okay, Priyamvada.
Okay, sir.
So blank is correct. 1, 2, 2. Very good, beta. Well done. The input.
Thank you, sir.
And Priyamvada, please see the input I am assuming you have taken, right? N from the user.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry. You have already taken. Thank you. Very good, beta.
Thank you, sir.
And this is my request. Everybody, please join on time. It's already 10:05 and still only 33 of you have joined. Tausif Ansari, Aparajit Pandey, Sarthak Pandey is there. Sarthak, Aparajit Pandey. Ishita is there. Ishita, are you getting this question, beta?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please try yourself, everyone. Arisha Khan, you have posted. So, Arisha, very good. Absolutely correct, beta. Arisha, well done.
Thank you, sir.
Aryan Ashok, Bharat, Anushka, Amisha, are you getting?
Yes, sir, trying.
Very good. Dhriti, please try. I hope the question is clear for everyone. So first time we are printing 3 blanks, then one time printing, then second time 2 blanks, 2 times printing, and that is 2. Then next time one time printing and 3 times you are printing 3. Okay, so I am going to show you the solution here. The common variable I am using here like Nijk. First of all, we will ask to the user. Everybody please look at here. Those who are not trying. First of all, we are asking the rows and then we are storing in this. After that, the loop we are putting. So the first loop, see the third loop first of all, we will put the third loop. After that, this, but now wait, no need to post now because just now I am going to explain. So first of all, we will generate the third loop, means the innermost. So for printing, right? So for printing, we can say like it is starting from 1 to less than equals to I. So I would be your outer loop. So the first value of I must be 1 less than equals to n and then I plus plus. So this loop we are using for. And now for printing, what we are supposed to print? We are supposed to print I because the repetition is there, the common value. After that, we are supposed to change the line. For the changing the line, you can use this also. This is a new thing I am using. Instead of println, I am using this also. Okay, this is also correct because this backslash n is used to change the line. But in that case, we are not using ln here. Please pay attention. Now see the blank loop. So the blank loop, it has to start with this. So how many times the blank you are printing? 3 times. So it has to start with this. Or there are so many ways like this. Less than n j plus plus. This is also correct if you don't want to use the reverse loop. Okay. My screen is visible now, bachcho?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So as you can see here, this loop. Suppose the value of n user has entered 4. Please Anushka, please pay attention. This is a simple loop which we are going to implement. Okay. So first time the loop has to start from 1. 1 to less than 4. So how many times this will execute this part? 3 times. Am I right? Anushka.
Yes, sir.
Any other doubt? Bharat, any query here? So 3 times you are getting the blank like this. After that, your control moves here. So what we are doing? we are simply starting a loop from 1, that is k equals to 1, k is less than equals to 1. So how many times this will execute? Only once, right? So only once. What we are printing, the value of I, that is 1 here. So what you will get here? 1. After that you are changing the line. See, here I am not using ln. Ln is missing. So instead of ln, I am using this escape sequence, that is also known as the non-graphic character, and the function of this backslash n is to print the new line. Means your cursor will move to the next line, means here. After that you are coming on this I plus plus, so I becomes 2. So please pay attention here, the next value of I is 2. So this loop has the second loop, it will start from 2 to less than 4. So 2 to less than 4 means 2 and 3. So how many times? 2 times. So 2 times you are getting the blanks. After that again it is starting from 1 to I. So this time the value of I is 2, not 1. So how many times this will execute? 2 times. And what you will print 2 times? That is the value of I, that is 2 times. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Should I continue more, or this much is sufficient for you, bachcho? Like this only this will execute. Sure? Beta, any query, or should I explain the whole program? Bachcho, Kavyansh, Kavyansh,
Yes, sir.
any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, Kartikeya Kumar. Beta, if you will not respond while taking your names, I will mark you absent. Kartikeya.
No, sir, I have no problem.
Okay, Riddhi beta.
No, sir, no problem.
Sarthak Pandey. Wahid. Wahid Haider. Okay, Wahid, you are not. Who has raised your hand? Okay, so now let's move to the next question. Sorry, after this, let me show you the output, right? Tools completed successfully. No, there is a single error. The semicolon is missing here. Now see, the number of your loop. So there is a problem. Please look at here. It has to be K, not I. Whenever you are getting the error, you need to go through the question, the program, whatever you have done. I hope this output is clear for everybody, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
now,
sir.
so now next question is for you. Please look at here. This is the next question on your screen, bachcho. For n rows.
So this one we have done. Sir, this one we have done.
Okay. This you
Yes,
have
sir.
done. So don't try, just wait. Now try this question. This is a very basic question I am giving you. After that, I will explain more things. The question is, you need to print the sum of the following series. Please note down. Very small change I am telling you. Now note down carefully. The first term is the positive, then second is minus, then again alternate. It is happening alternate. Here it is positive, positive, positive. Then it is negative, negative, and the next would be negative. And you need to print the sum of the following series for n terms, where this symbol is known as the caret sign, and this is the power symbol. Please try this question. Always remember, this symbol is known as power sign. Is it okay, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Please focus on the alternate terms. Bharat, are you getting this question, beta?
Yes, sir.
Good. Try.
Okay, sir.
The question is there in your chat box also. Please try, everybody, fast. Rudraksh Avasthi,
Yes, sir.
beta, please join class on time. Na? Today you join late. Ten o'clock is the time, beta. Na? Please join before 5 minutes or 10. This is my request from everybody. Those who are joining late. Parashivastha, you also, beta.
Yes, sir. My network is having some problems, so
See, this is a Sarthak Pandey. Sarthak,
Yes, sir.
why did you join so late, huh?
Sorry, sir.
If you will repeat this mistake, I will not end. I will remove you and I will mark you absent also. Don't repeat this mistake again. This is the last time.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Priyamvada. The question have you got or not? It is there in the chat box. Sarthak, did you get? Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Please try. Very good, Priyamvada. Beta Priyamvada. 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 Beta, your question is correct, but the j you have declared as integer. Better to declare as double, because in the if the user inputting very bigger term, in that case the range of integer would create problem for you. In that case, maybe you will not get the correct output. So better to use j as double type. Rest is fine, beta. Very good, Abhyuday. But again, the sum you need to declare as double type, right? And even term also. Okay?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Arisha?
Sir, I have also posted.
Okay. Yes, I am coming on you. Question. Mat dot x power I, yes, x must be correct. S equals to, yes. Very good. Yes, Vita. Correct. Very long.
Thank you, sir.
See, Arisha,
Yes, sir.
and rest of you, please pay attention on this solution here. Arisha has declared double like s equals to 0. So don't think this will create a problem. This, see, when you are declaring a variable of double type and maybe you have declared 0, not 0.0. So, but in memory it will store as 0.0 only, right?
Yes, sir.
So there would be no error. So don't think there is an error. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have also posted.
Yes, Rachit, I am coming on your. Okay, Priyambada. Sum equals to sum minus this and beta, enter a number, enter a power. Okay, base. That is also correct. What is A? Okay,
Sir,
this is also correct, beta. Kavyansh. Very good, beta. Rachit, well done.
thank you, sir.
Good. Yes, correct. Beta Abhyuday, Kavyansh, there is a very small mistake you have done. One braces, curly braces is missing. After the condition if and before SOPL, rest is fine. Yes, Priyambada, you can use long, but better to use double because you are using the mat.pow function. In that case, if you are using long, then instead of int, you need to declare long. So better to use double. In that case, you can skip that part, int. Okay? Aryan Ashok. Okay, good. Okay, so let me explain this question again. This is very easy question and there are so many ways and many are doing also. Aryan is correct. See, very good, beta. Now please pay attention here. Anushka and Bharat, please pay attention here. See, first of all, whenever you are having the series like this in which the addition and the subtraction, two terms are given in this, like the first is your plus and the second is your minus, then third is again plus, like this it is happening, right? So for this, the common thing what you can do, suppose you are inputting the number of terms and like ob dot next int, please pay attention everyone, and the base you are using x, and but you now do not paste. I cannot see now, Hana? Let me explain because some are still having little doubt in this for type program. So now the number of terms are given here. So in that case, always I told you use the loop starting from 1 to the number of terms for natural number. Now see, so if the first term, if you are talking about the first term, so it is your addition is happening. So what you can do, first of all, just calculate the power. So for that we can use double p equals to mat.pow x, that is the input which you are taking from the user, comma I. So this term we are calculating in p, and this we need to add when the value of I is 1. So I's value is starting from 1, 2, 3. Anushka, please pay attention. Bharat, you also. So every time this is the loop of natural number. So if the natural number is 1, then we are supposed to add. So for that we are supposed to simply putting the condition on this, I mod 2 equals to 1, means we are talking about the first term. In that case, what we are supposed to do, sum equals to sum plus p. But if else, means if it is odd term, then what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to do subtraction, means sum equals to sum minus p, and the program is finished. Any confusion, Anushka?
No, sir.
बेटा ये क्लियर है कि नहीं? Anybody else? Any doubt? The rest of the variable I will declare myself here. Any doubt बच्चों?
No, sir.
पक्का? अनुष्का बेटा?
Yes, sir, no doubt.
See, again I am repeating the first term, the positive means if I mod 2 equals to 1 means the first term 1, 3 and 5. So if it is odd, the number of terms are odd, then we are adding because the plus sign is already there here. And if there is no sign, that obviously everybody knows that's a positive symbol. So now we are adding. But if it is even like this and this, in that case the same value, the power, this x to the power 1, x to the power 2, x to the power 3, we are subtracting, and ultimately we are printing the result after the loop. And here if you are putting a braces, like Kavyansh has missed one braces, so you need to put braces here like this. Am I clear now? Okay, so now let's move to the next question, everyone. Just try this question on your computer, and just note down in the notebook also. So now the next question is, write down in your notebook, everybody. Web to enter, web to print. Write a program to print next prime number. Web to print next prime number. Means suppose user has entered like 20. So what will be the output, Arisha? If user has entered 20, so we are supposed to print the next prime number. Yes, Yuvansh, very good. 23. Very good.
23.
Good. Try this question, everyone. Well done, Vedant. Vedant, beta. Vedant Agrawal.
Yes, sir.
Beta, why did you join so late?
So my net was not working and I got disconnected right now also.
Okay. Chalo. Please take care.
Sir, I have posted the program.
Gaurang, beta, this is not your logic. You have just copied and pasted. Please try to implement your logic. Am I right, beta, Gaurang? Please try yourself. Only copy paste is not required here. That is why, this is not an offline class. This is an online class. I know there are so many things. This is simply you have copied and pasted. I will not accept this. I want the easy one which you can easily understand and others also. So whatever logic you are implementing, that is good. If you are getting this, you can note down in your notebook as a additional solution. But if I will ask something, you cannot explain it properly better. So better to implement your logic, very basic logic, right? We are in, you are in class 9th. So the logic which you are implementing should be according to that. What others are doing doesn't matter. Please Don't take otherwise, beta. No, this is for your betterment only, and this is for everybody. Whenever you are trying the program, whenever you are doing, if you are not getting asked from your friends, but or from anywhere, but if you are not getting that particular logic, do not try to copy and paste. Just try to understand first. Then it would be useful for you. If you are simply copying and paste, then that's not a use. Echita, please try. Amisha, Suresh Yadav. And try to utilize for loop also. We are doing that, then I hope everyone is comfortable in that, or in which you are comfortable. I don't mind, but should be clear. Aditya, are you getting the question now, beta?
Yes, sir.
Please try. Abhyuday Gupta. Absolutely fine, beta. Abhyuday, well done. This is the logic. Very good, beta. Please note down this question, Abhyuday, in your notebook also. Arisha. Arisha,
Yes, sir.
there is a very small problem. For that, you will miss 1 marks minimum. Just try to find out yourself, Anna.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Very good.
Thank you.
99.99%. And don't use double type variable over here. Use integer.
Okay, sir. Okay.
There are very two silly mistakes you have done. Rachit, the first mistake you have done in the first for loop. Rest is absolutely fine, beta.
Sir, what is the mistake?
Just try to find out yourself. I will explain this, right? See, my question was next prime number. So do not start the loop from the same number which user is inputting. This is the mistake which you have done, Rachit, and Arisha also. Okay, Arisha?
Yes, sir.
But apart from that, there is one more mistake, Arisha, in your question. Solution, sorry.
Okay, sir. I'll find. I'll
Okay,
find it.
very good. Okay, let me explain this question. So today,
Sir, it was the reinitialization.
yes, absolutely correct, beta. Very good. See,
Okay, sir.
if you are doing this type of mistake, for that directly you will miss 1 marks. So just after finishing your solution, please go through that. You will.
Yes,
Sir, I
sir.
have pre-posted.
Okay, Rachit. बेटा रचित n-1 नहीं होगा बेटा, n+1, rest is fine. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sarthak Pandey, it is wrong, beta. Why it is wrong? Because you have taken 3 inputs. So straightforwardly, after that, nobody is going to check. In this out of 5, you will get 1 marks. So 4 marks you are going to miss. Not 4. You will get 2 marks. First 3 lines are wrong. N is correct. I can't take input. J can't take input. F equals to 0 you need to declare after the first for loop. Then it is, small mistakes you have done. Yes, Priyamvada, your is also correct, beta. Very good. Well done, beta. Okay, so let me explain this question. So I'm going to share my screen, bachcho. I hope my screen is visible, right? So the loop
Yes, sir.
we are supposed to start from the very next number, and we are initializing a infinite loop, right? And now the counter for counting the factors, we need one more loop that has to start from 1 till the number that is your I. After
So I
that,
have put it.
beta Aditya, just wait a minute, na? Now everybody please look at here. So now after that we are counting the factors of I. This is the basic logic. And if c equals to 2, then we are printing the next prime number. What? That is your I. After that, just use the break, and then now the program is over. See, so this is the important point. The loop has to start from the next pointer, that is your n plus 1, and this is the infinite loop. So when this loop will terminate, when you are getting the next prime number, and after getting this factors 2, immediately we are printing the value of I, that is your prime, and then we are terminating the infinite loop, right? I hope this logic is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now let me show you the output. There is this one error, 4 error actually. See some silly mistakes I have done. Plus I, next prime I.
Sir, the opening
Bracket. Okay. Now there is no error. So now suppose you are inputting 19. So the next prime number is 23. Am I clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Should I show you one more execution? Like you have entered 57. So the next is 59. I hope this logic is clear to everybody. And if you want to, reduce this structure or reduce this code, you can use the while loop also. But the main logic is this: to count the factor or without counting, that is up to you, like Priyamvada has done. So instead of that, the loop you can start from 2 less than equals to I by 2. Then here we are supposed to check 0. But I hope this logic is clear for everybody. Am I right, Gaurang beta? Gaurang, any query in this question? Any doubt? Okay, Gaurang. Is it okay now, Gaurang beta? See, the logic must be clear. If you are not getting the logic, then you cannot implement the program yourself. Okay. So the next question is, write down the question I am going to draw here. Please pay attention. Please note down carefully, everyone. So how many rows you are having here? 4 rows. So first time you are printing 1 after 3 blanks. Then on the left side there is nothing. Then in the second row you are getting 2 blanks. Then we are getting 1 and 2. Please try to understand this logic. Then after printing 1 and 2, again you are printing on left 1 time. Now come to the third type. Printing one blank, then 1, 2, 3. You are getting on your right. After printing 1, 2, 3, again one loop is required for printing the left side pattern, that is 2 and 1. So how many times? 2 times you are printing on your left. Now fourth time, please pay attention. Fourth time there is no blank, so you are printing 1, 2, 3, 4 straightforward, natural number. And now on the left the loop is starting from 3 to 1. So for this side we need a loop, for this side we need a loop, and for these blanks also we need a loop, right? And for the number of rows also we need a loop. So total how many loops are required here? Who will tell?
Sir, 4.
Yes, absolutely fine. So 4 loops are required. Very good, Shivans. So Artika, are you getting this question or not?
Yes, sir, I'm trying.
So do not try. This is your homework. Okay? This is your homework.
Okay, sir.
So I hope everybody has copied this question properly without any mistake. Right? Just try this question, and with this I am ending today's class. Thank you so much. Just try this program as soon as possible, and by today 9 p.m. just you need to send. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, beta.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, बच्चे.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, beta. I will post the recording after the class.